Had a dirt bike come through here. See a little trail right there. Okay, some wood if I need it. Yeah, not worth putting my life on the line when you only get 6 views on a video, you know. Looks like maybe some deer came through here at one time or another. Not really sure. Looks like a PlayStation. Let me get this. I gotta get this phone call. Hold on, guys. Get my knees wet. Yeah, PlayStation 4, guys. Okay. Oh shoot, bullet right through it. Take it for scrap. Found it right there. Sorry about the phone going off, guys. I'm gonna have to go get this. Just wanted to document this. I thought this was like computer wire, but it's just a tubing of some sort. It's got the breather right there. Don't know why that would be there. No coin. Is that a coin? No, it's just a rock. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull straight out of here, guys. See how we're doing with the time and everything. Pretty good actually for the GoPro, because it's not too hot out today. It's kind of cloudy. Still got some humidity going on, but maybe it's good to get prepared with some food, you know, some extra food, some water, something that's going to last you just in case we do have this great reset or whatever. What we got here? It's like a little fork, guys. That's silver. It's very light. Wow. Stainless steel. And I'll put it in my pocket just to some kind of cushion. I don't want to get all muddy here, but I do want to check out some of this stuff here, if anything good, coins or anything are poking out, you know. Yeah, somebody's dump from 50 years ago, but these are really smelling nice. Yeah, a little bit rotted. And YouTube's trying to hide the truth. You know, a lot of truth channels got cut out. Guys, so it was pretty cool find of P4. It does have a bullet hole through it. The board's probably shot, and I don't know if it's worth trying to fix it, you know what I mean? Get my water in my pocket. Just checking out the sights, guys. What's back here? Jeez, how would that get back here? We're kind of in a semi-drought, guys. This is usually full of water here. I don't know how somebody got that down. It looks like there's footprints, a lot of little kid footprints right there. It's kind of weird. There's also deer. Little tykes. How the heck would that get there? I don't want to ruin my new shoes. Normally I can't walk here, so we'll just walk a little bit. I can never walk here, guys. This is crazy that I'm able to walk here now. So yeah, it's kind of weird. This is here. mean, I don't know if they backed up here, just threw it here in the mud, you know, instead of throwing it in the trash. There's a pipe right there. It's a problem, guys, because you're paying for plastic, right? You're paying for it, and why not recycle plastic? Why can't we recycle plastic and glass? I mean, I don't get it. We could recycle metal. You know, you get 6 cents a pound for metal. Why can't we recycle plastic and glass, guys, and cardboard? I know years ago they used to recycle cardboard. You get a penny a pound, but let's face it, this ain't the old days. This is the future, and cardboard should be worth a little bit more money now. It's definitely glass. We could recycle it. We don't have to use the beaches, you know, for sand and everything. This is really odd. This was never here before. What's this? It looks like a steel toe to a shoe. Somebody lost their steel toe. Huh. And their boot. What we got here, guys? It's actually, I thought it was plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. General Electric, no frost. Refrigerator. You can never walk through here before, guys, so I'm just going through first time, seeing what's around, what's here. So you can never do this before. Obviously somebody's been driving through here, kind of opened it up and destroyed it. This is all sticker bushes in here. You can't get through here, but somebody, nice piece of aluminum. Man, it is hot here. This is the mines, guys. The mine fires are here. It's an old umbrella. Get down this little cliff. Wow, it's the first time I ever got to walk through there. Instead of walking all the way around. Trying out my new shoes, guys, my new sneakers. They're actually trail running sneakers. Let me run, see how they are. Very good, very good. Huh? Very good. We have grip the rocks and everything. Okay, it's all old crap there. So what's going on with YouTube, guys? I don't know. The CEO of YouTube is reducing views on people's channels. It's really hurting people. And by the way, on my other channel, they're reducing the regular views and shorts. So, kind of sucks, man, for creator. I don't know if this is going to be the end of YouTube, you know what I mean? There's a lot of stuff going on, guys, in this world, so. Oh, look at this. Some monkey cigars. I remember we used to light these up being younger, pretend we're smoking cigars with these. These are monkey cigars. Can't really eat them or nothing. They smoke. And they're tubular and they smoke, you know, but I wouldn't recommend it on that. This used some blueberries earlier, so this, you know, I don't have my quad anymore. I can't get out back to where all the strawberry fields, blueberry fields are. Kind of missed that, guys, because I like to eat that stuff. So far the shoes are pretty good with all the rocks I'm walking on here and stuff. A lot of rocks and debris. Doing pretty good. Total grip, no worries. Nice. Oh, what's this, guys? A little bit of treasure? Wow, that's weird. I don't know what that's off of. Back in the day, I guess. Throw it in the scrap. What we got here? It says release. Release. It's just some kind of buckle or something. Maybe somebody lost it from their quad.